Here's a story you haven't heard yet. During the Civil War, Lincoln had a secret weapon, and it wasn't a cannon. It was words. Mass-produced, unstoppable words. Before the typewriter, every document was handwritten. Slow, error-prone, easy to forge. But as mechanical writing machines quietly spread through government offices, something shifted. Orders moved faster. Supply chains tightened. The Union's administrative machine became razor-sharp. Meanwhile, the Confederacy was drowning in handwritten chaos. Contracts delayed, troop orders muddled, logistics falling apart at the seams. The side that controlled information controlled the war. Lincoln understood that. He surrounded himself with people who moved paper like generals moved armies. The printing press had started revolutions before, but the typewriter industrialized power itself. Here's the takeaway. Wars aren't always won on battlefields. Sometimes they're won at desks by whoever can think and communicate faster. Technology doesn't just change how we work. It changes who wins. What do you think? Comment below.